Deep in the forest of West Papua live the most incredible birds. Thanks to this man, we are going to enter the extraordinary world of the birds of paradise. Indonesian Papua is mostly known by us divers because of its world-class diving areas like Ampat or Triton Bay. After our second trip to Ampat, we wanted to explore more of the island, and we had one goal in mind: the mythical birds of paradise. We already had the chance to see representatives of this unique bird family. While staying at Sorido Bay Resort, we spent an afternoon with Pa Nico, looking for the red bird of paradise. From Sorong, we took a domestic flight to Jayapura, the capital of the province. After a 2-hour drive, we arrived at Nimbokrang village, where we were welcomed by Alex Waisimon, the founder of Isyo Hills, a project dedicated to protect the forest and its inhabitants, provide a sustainable livelihood for the local community, and all of that through bird watching and ecotourism.
Hi everybody, good morning. My name is Alex. I'm original from Papua. So Papua is very nice to visit. So I'm in the one village in Papua. It's in the district Nimbokrang, Kampung Rhepang Muaif. Coming to visit, and you can see the nice bird paradise in Papua.
After spending 30 years around the world, working for international organizations like the Red Cross, Pa Alex returned to his home island with one idea: save the local forest and the Cendrawasih. First treated like a madman by his peers, he became a leader in his community.
Papua is special for good biodiversity. Many colleges bring coming here, they're learning. We keep Papua for our planet, the last planet in the world. This is our mission for you and coming. So now the time we cannot live only one island, but we are living together in one planet. Keep Papua for our life.
Waking up early in the morning, we followed Pa Alex in the rainforest. And just after 10 minutes, we stopped to observe one of the most mysterious birds of paradise, the 12-wired bird of paradise. This gorgeous bird remained a mystery for centuries. Do you see the 12 strange wire plumes that sprout out in all directions from his yellow-tailed feathers? What are they for? It took a David Attenborough documentary to solve the mystery. These wires play an important role in the male courtship. When a female appears, the male will position himself above her on a stick and brush his wires against the female's face. And it seems that females select their mate based on how attractive is that ornament. So far, these 12-wire male had no chance. Birds of paradise are members of the this family. And they're exclusively in Indonesian Papua, in Papua New Guinea, and in Eastern Australia. In the early 16th century, the skins of birds of paradise were widely traded among neighboring islands in Indonesia. And the skins encountered by the first European were very bizarre. They had no wings and no feet. The explanation is quite simple. The local used the skin as ornament and removed the wings and the feet because it looked prettier, I guess. But the lack of information created new tales about these very weird birds, as nobody had never seen one alive. European explorers were told that these birds were angels, floating in heavens and feeding on cloud dew, with no need for feet or wings. The legend still goes on today, and we find it in the name of these birds, birds of paradise. And the scientific name of the most famous of them, the greater bird of paradise, is actually Apoda, which means without feet. This exceptional bird family is mostly known for the plumage of the male, while the female looks quite dull in comparison. They have incredibly elaborate mating rituals. Let's take, for example, the greater bird of paradise. When they are ready to mate, several males gather high in a single tree. And they all go through the same choreographed moves. First, the male opens his wings and displays his golden plumes. As soon as the female arrives, the male gets excited and starts to gallop up and down his branch, shaking his feather. When the female gets close and starts her inspection, the male turns his back to her, head down, and presents his vibrant yellow plumes. As the female gets closer, the male starts flapping his wings and gets more physical. When she is ready to mate, well, it was a good day for him. But let's go back to the 12-wired bird of paradise. Seems like he is luckier today. When a female is ready to mate, she stays at the top of the pole. The male comes up and starts pecking at her back, her neck, until she is ready. We spent 2 days in Pak Alex paradise, and we only had a glimpse of its wonders. The work of Pak Alex and his community shows that development and conservation can go hand in hand. The COVID-19 pandemic unfortunately slowed down their effort, but they don't give up and are more than ever committed to the protection of this fragile ecosystem.
Isyo Hills bird watching, don't forget to watch. Thank you.
Indonesia is finally opening up, and in our next episode, we are going to help you plan your next diving holidays. So the question is, Raja Ampat or Komodo? Tough one. Would you like to know which one is our favorite? So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.